Hello dear students, welcome to the 9th class chapter of 6, Democracy, and the topic is merit and demerits of democracy. Democracy is the type of government, form of government which is elected by the people. It is said that it is the best form of the government. What are its merits? Let us discuss. First is, it is accountable government. Democratic government is more accountable form of government. Accountability encourages government officials to act in the public best interest. It requires that the rulers have to attend to the needs of the people. It means that this form of the government is responsible to its citizens. Next one is quality of decision making. Democracy leads to better decisions because it is based on consultation and discussion. Many discussions and consultation has been made. Decision always involves many persons. It is not taken by only one person. They are able to point out possible mistakes. This process reduces chance of rash or irresponsible decisions. Next one is deals with differences and conflicts. It means that democracy provides a method to deal with the differences and conflicts. In any society, people are bound to have difference of opinions and interests. People belong to different regions, speak different languages, practice different religions, and have different castes. The preference of one group can clash with those of the others. But in democracy, no one is permanent winner, no one is permanent loser. So different groups can live with one another peacefully. Next one is correct its own mistakes. It means that it allows us to correct its own mistakes. There is no guarantee that mistake cannot be made in democracy. No form of government can guarantee that. The advantage of that is that people are their own rulers. Even if they make mistakes, they are responsible for their conduct. Next is demerits of the democracy. First is economic inequality. Here economic inequality means that in the democracy, rich are becoming more rich and poor are becoming more poor. So there is disparity between these two groups. Next is social inequality. In democracy, social inequalities are also found. Money and muscle power. People in a democratic political parties used money and muscle power to get the power. Next is corruption. As a democratic system based on the electoral competition, it leads to corruption among political parties, and political parties use money power and muscle power to win the elections. Next is delay in decisions. It is right that decisions are taken after many decisions, after many discussion, after many debates, and many persons take the decision, but in this process, there is always delay in taking the decision, which is not correct. Sometimes they are incapable of taking the decision by this process. So in this way, we have seen the demerits of the democracy, yet we can say that democracy is the best form of the government. Thank you.